Ari and I enjoy getting out from time to time and spending an evening out away from home as like a mini getaway. So we often seek out a bread and breakfast, Airbnb, a little place for rent, sometimes in Jerusalem, sometimes elsewhere. Last night we stayed at this nice place in the German colony in Jerusalem, and the place is called Tamiz. It belongs to Mordechai and Edna, and it's a sweet little place with a jacuzzi, which was fun, and it's right in the center of the German colony, so it's like a walking distance from a lot of really neat things. We went last night to the old train station, which has become a market for a evening activity for Jerusalemites.